Uncle Daddy's Soul Food. We in the building once again. After today's video, you'll rarely call for pizza to be delivered to your home. We discovered a super easy 2-ingredient pizza dough recipe that is equally as delicious. Let's get started. Welcome to Uncle Daddy's Soul Food. Uncle Daddy in the building once again. If you're looking for more authentic soul food and adult beverage recipes, do yourself and us a favor. First, smash that like button. Second, subscribe to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make restaurant quality pizza right here in the kitchen. Let's get started. Okay, the ingredients required for this recipe are super easy. First, we're going to start with 1 1/2 cups of self-rising flour, 1 to 1.5 cups of plain Greek yogurt. We have pizza sauce, and whatever you want to top your pizza with. Today, I'm going to be going with fresh mozzarella, ground beef, Italian sausage, onions, and mushrooms. Okay, the first thing we need to do is make the dough. So this is 1 1/2 cups of flour. I'm going to use about a cup to start with. We're going to save the other half. We're going to add the other 1 1/2 cups of Greek yogurt. I'm only going to start with about 1 cup. Next, it's going to get a little messy. You want to stir it up. A little dry, so we're going to go in with a little more of the Greek yogurt. You want to keep kneading your dough until it's a fine consistency where it doesn't stick to your pan or to your tray or even to your fingers. That's about what I'm looking for. Okay, you just want to keep kneading the dough. Still a little bit of wet, It's still a little wet, so we're going to add a little more flour. Now that we have the dough to the consistency that we're looking for, we're going to place it in the refrigerator covered for about 15 minutes. While the dough is doing its thing, we're going to preheat the oven to 425 degrees, and I'm going to clean up a little bit. We got our oven preheated to 425 degrees. The dough has been sitting in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. So now we're going to roll out the pizza dough. I can't find my rolling pin, so I'm going to get a little more creative. Yes, sir. So what you want to do is just roll it out. I wish I had my rolling pin, but we're going to do, this will do the job. Now that the pizza is rolled out to the desired size, I'm going to add a little, this is a mixture of garlic, Italian season, and garlic powder. I'm just going to moisten up the dough a little bit. We have our oven preheated to 450 degrees. I've rolled out my dough to the desired size. Now I'm just brushing with a little bit of butter, Italian seasoning, and garlic powder. Next, we're going to add some pizza sauce. Next, we have some fresh grated mozzarella. Next, we're going to add some ground beef. You can add whatever toppings you like, but this is what I'm going to put on this one right here. Next, we have some Italian sausage. And some onions. Gotta add the vegetables. Next, I'm going to add some fresh mushrooms. There isn't a particular way to do this. You top it the way you want to, with any toppings you like. This is what I choose. And then finally, we're going to add some fresh thyme. Alright, now that we have our pizza topped with our favorite toppings, we're going to put the pizza in the oven at 425 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now that our pizza is topped, we're going to place it in the oven at 425 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. And there you have it, Uncle Daddy's authentic homemade pizza. If you have any questions, any concerns or comments about this particular recipe or any other Uncle Daddy's Soul Food recipe, please leave them in the comment section below. I appreciate you hanging out with Uncle Daddy's Soul Food until the end of today's video. If you're looking for more authentic soul food recipes and adult beverage recipes, do yourself a favor this second, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. In the very next video, we're going to take on the carnival favorite funnel cake. With that being said, this is Uncle Daddy's Soul Food. Deuces.